Lord of Lords, who is the King of Kings, who knows the secrets of our heart. It is my salam to all of you. Assalamu alaikum and very much good morning. Let me start my presentation by telling you about me and my group members. I'm Ikra Ghulam Baloch, she's Malaika, and she's Fatma Hanif. We are in the group of class Matric. First of all, before telling you about my presentation, I want to tell you that I categorize my presentation into some steps like introduction, theme, message, and the last conclusion. First of all, I'm very thankful to all of you and for your precious time that you gave me. The main reason today I'm here to tell you a powerful poem that inspired me, motivated me, and pushed me to be the best version of myself. The poem is called The Man Who Perseveres. It inspires us to be brave and to never give up. The poem is that if you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but you think you can't, it is almost certain you won. If you think you are loose, you are lost. For out in the world we find success begins with the fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You have got to be sure of yourself before you got to high to rise. You can ever win a prize. Life's battle don't always go to the faster or stronger man, but sooner or late, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. These lines speak directly to our hearts. They resonate us that our thoughts, our attitude, and our mindset can determine our success. They resonate us that if we think we can't, we want, so it can be real. But if we think we can, we will, so we will be. मेहनत ऐसी करो कि किसी ने आज तक की ना हो मेहनत ऐसी करो कि किसी ने आज तक की ना हो फिर देख तुझे मिलेगा वो सब जो किसी को आज तक मिला ना हो let's move on. I want to tell you that the man who wins is not just a person, but a mindset. It's a mindset that says, I will not give up. I will not lose faith. I will not stretch more trend. It's a mindset that says, I will push myself to the limit. I will take risk. I will preserve challenges. He is not just a man. He is brave. He is strong and he is resilient. So, especially, I want to ask you a question today. What is holding you back from achieving your dreams? Is it fear, doubt, or negativity? Is it the voice in your head that says you are not good enough, you can't, you want, or you cannot do anything? जब आंखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया जब आंखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया फिर मुश्किल क्या आसान क्या जब ठान लिया तो ठान लिया Albert Einstein said, you will never fail until you stop trying. It means trying is the best part of the man who wins. The man who wins. So how you can become the man who wins? It's simple. You must be willing to put sacrifice. You must to do work hard. You must to take risk. You must to face challenges. And mostly, you must believe in yourself. In the last, remember, dear friends, success begins with the fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. So let's move high. Let's to think positive. Let's to take risk. Let's to believe in yourself. Dear friends, you are capable of achieving anything. You are capable of doing anything. You can do anything. You can get anything. But you must want to believe in yourself. Thank you so much for your precious time. Malaika? Go. Positively, we are change the situations are this. The poem emphasizes the importance of mindless success. How does the poet convey this idea using contrast between positive and negative thoughts? There is a big contrast. There's a big contrast between positive and negative. If we think positively, so we can handle any situation perfectly. For example, if you think that you can get the position, so it's your positive thought. It can be converted in the positive. But if you think that I cannot do anything, I cannot get it, so it can be negative. Yeah. Hi. Inchanium, lower class. Yes, sir. It can be the lower class. What? Again? What do you think? Why is the poem because yeah. Who write this poem? This is not a. This is not fine. They find, but they not we find it. The names of. Yeah. Ghost. Which type of poem is this? This is the inspirational and motivational poem. We don't know who wrote this poem, but it poem directly touched our heart. As I told you that these lines directly touched to my heart because they motivated us. It can be the emotional, it can be the serious about, but it's some motivational, best motivational poem. Yes, sir.